Please like, share, subscribe, and stay for the entire video as I demonstrate how to make this honey glazed teriyaki lamb shank just for you. Hi there everyone, this is you Jamaican girl. Welcome to my kitchen. To my already clean and washed lamb shank, guys, I'm gonna add some vertical cuts, and then I'm gonna add to that my seasoned rub. I'm gonna rub this nicely, guys, to ensure that it is seasoned down to the bone. So guys, my season is basically some green season, some paprika, some garlic herb, guys, some beef season. I use the McCormick, that's my go-to season, guys. And then guys, I blend this in with some peppers and I season allowed to marinate. Now guys, after marinating, this is what it looks like. To a frying pan, guys, with just a coating of coconut oil, I will add to that my lamb shank and brown them on both sides. Now guys, this smells good already. So remember to hit that like button. Comment, guys, tell me, how do you like your lamb shank? Now guys, look at it. Good, can next, my whimsical family, I'm gonna add this to the pressure pot, guys. I'm gonna add to that some garlic, some onion, some ginger, guys, and some hot pepper. I'm gonna add about a cup of stock, guys. Cover this in my pressure pot and allow to cook for about 30 minutes. Now, family and friends, after the time has elapsed, you want to release the steam, guys, and open your pressure pot. Now, family and friends, as you see, this tender right down to the bone, almost falling off. So, guys, I remove this from the pressure pot, and I am going to allow the sauce in the pressure pot, guys, to cook down until it is thicker. Next, I'm going to add my sauce to the blender and blend until it is smooth. Now, let me pause to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much. You are family here. So, remember to hit that like button, guys. Leave your comment in the comment section. Talk to me. Let me know where you are watching from, and let me know if you are enjoying this video. Of course, share my channel with your friends and encourage them too to watch and subscribe. Now guys, in a separate bowl, I have a third cup of teriyaki sauce. I'm gonna add to that 2 tablespoons of honey, guys. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of orange juice and some orange zest. I'm gonna stir this in nicely, guys, and of course, I know you are enjoying this video, so please remember to hit the like button, guys, and share my video with your friends. Next, guys, I'm going to layer on some orange slices onto my baking rack, guys. And then I'm going to add the lamb shank to that. Guys, I am going to coat this generously with my teriyaki sauce, guys. I'm just going to smother this all over, guys. And if only you could smell how good this is. If only you could smell what's cooking in my kitchen. Next, guys, I'm going to put this in my air fryer at 350 degrees, guys. And just let it nice glaze up nicely, guys, and just allow the sauce to seep in. Guys, this is awesome. It's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Guys, this has been my absolute privilege sharing this meal idea with you. I hope you try it next time you are in your kitchen. Just look at this, family and friends, perfectly glazed. Can't wait to dig in goodness. I'll see you next week where I have for you another awesome video.